guys, welcome to New Ask Practical Science. I am Mr Coxon and today we're going to be having a look at the nutritional value of cereals. So first of all, I would like you to think about why it's important that we have food labels like these on your packaging. So pause the video now, have a think and see if you can come up with some ideas. So food labels allow us to make informed decisions about the food that we eat. Are they high in certain things that are bad for us? Are they high in certain things that are good for us? And it means that we can eat a nice, healthy, balanced diet. So if you have a look at your handout, you should see 3 labels, just like the ones that were on the board, of 3 different breakfast cereals. What I'd like to do is see if you can find out which nutrients are in each different cereal. So have a look at the cereal labels on your handout and see which nutrients are in each of the cereals and also how much. You should see a table on your worksheet that you'll be able to fill in with the 3 different cereals that are on that handout. If you can find any other cereals around the house, feel free to include those in your table as well. It'd be really an interesting comparison to make. So you should have found out that these cereals contain protein, carbohydrates, which includes sugar, fat, fibre, and sodium or salt. You sometimes see that sodium and salt are as 2 separate ones. That's because salt contains sodium and chlorine. Going back to our handout, we have cereal 1, Cocoa Pops. We have Corn Flakes. And we have an own brand cereal, which is toasted whole grain oat cereal. So I'm just going to put own brand here. And the nutrients that we have are protein, carbohydrates, fat, fibre, and finally we have sodium or salt. Pause the video now and see if you can fill in this table for me. Now that we've drawn our table, we can compare these 3 breakfast cereals and see which one has the most of each nutrient. So here we can see Cocoa Pops has the most protein, by far the most sugar, the most fat. The own brand cereal has the most fibre in it, and Cocoa Pops has the most salt. But is that a good thing or a bad thing? What I'd like to do is pause the video and have a think about what each of these nutrients do for our body. Generally, we use protein for growth and repair. So this is incredibly important and we can get it from sources like meat, fish, and nuts. Carbohydrate contains lots of sugars. So when we break down carbohydrate in our digestive system, these sugars can be used for energy. Fat is a long-term energy store, and it also helps to insulate us. Fibre helps maintain a healthy digestive system and helps you go to the bathroom. Salt is used both to help your nervous system work and also to help to maintain the water balance in your body. Using your table, see if you can work out which cereal is the healthiest. If you said Cocoa Pops, unfortunately I would not agree with you, as this cereal has lots of sugar in it. If you went with Corn Flakes or the own brand cereal, you could probably argue either of those is quite a good option, mostly due to the much lower levels of sugar and fat. But why is this? What would the long-term effects of a high sugar diet be? Pause the video now, have a think and see if you can come up with a few ideas. A diet high in sugar might lead to heart disease, liver disease, type 2 diabetes, and many other complications. So next time you have cereal, or open up any packets to be honest, have a look on the back and see if you can find the nutritional values. I'm Mr Coxon, thank you very much for watching New Ask Science, and I'll see you next time.